Here's how to measure calcium concentration in water. Firstly, calibrate the ISE by entering calibration mode and reading the first standard. It is important to make sure you selected the right standard before pressing read. Once the probe has stabilized, take it out of the first standard and dry it. Then place it in the second calibration solution. Press Cal for the next calibration points and select the correct standard and read it. Once it is stable, the calibration is complete and we are ready to take a sample reading. Rinse the probe with deionized water and dry it with a tissue. Prepare your sample and place the ion selective electrode into it. Give it a good stir and wait for the solution to settle. Accept the calibration and press read to measure the sample. The concentration of calcium in the sample is now displayed on the screen. The products used in this video can be found by following the links in the description.